Origin and distribution of cotton. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain the origin and distribution, describe the soil and climatic requirements for cotton cultivation. Recently, a new museum was established in the city of Mumbai, which is especially dedicated to cotton. Welcome to the Museum of Cotton. We are delighted to enlighten you with the information on cotton using the latest digital technology. The museum exhibits various information such as its history, various cotton species, growth of Manchester as the cotton giant, entry of cotton through Mumbai, and many more. We believe you will thoroughly enjoy your visit to the museum. We all know that cotton dresses are one of the most preferred dress types during summer in India. Before exploring further, let me brief you about cotton. Cotton is classified under the family Malvaceae and the genus name of cotton is Gossypium. It is a revolutionary fiber that has made significant progress over years and has created an impact on the dress patterns of the people worldwide due to its natural source, softness, non-allergenic nature, durability, and versatility. The progress of cotton fiber thus increased the curiosity of many experts around the world, leading to many archaeological explorations. There are four predominant cotton species that are being used around the world at present. They are Gossypium hirsutum, Gossypium arboreum, Gossypium herbaceum, and Gossypium barbadens. I hope you're clear with the names. Now, let us proceed to the history. It was discovered that the first trace of cotton plant, namely the Gossypium herbaceum, was found in Egypt, dating back as early as 12,000 BC. Yet, another excavation has also revealed the presence of the variety in the Arabian Peninsula. Gossypium hirsutum originated in the regions of Mexico and South Florida. Further, archaeological explorations revealed that it was also one of the cultivated cotton varieties to be domesticated at least 7,000 years ago in Mesopotamia and Mexico. Pieces of cotton fabric from the variety Gossypium arboreum have been found in Indus Valley civilization, especially in northern western India and Baluchistan, state of Pakistan, dating back 5,000 years. Though Gossypium herbaceum variety of cotton originated in Africa, it was also cultivated in India from around 3500 BC. Trace of cotton fabric, Gossypium barbadens, was also found in Andean hills of Peru, dating back to nearly 2500 BC. It has been believed to have originated in Andean hills of Peru, which was then domesticated in South America and later on spread to other parts of the world. In 200 AD, during the Gupta period in India, the cotton products spread to China and Iran. In 600 AD, it was introduced to Europe by Arab traders. By the end of 16th century, the cultivation of cotton spread to the parts of Asia and America. Invention of the spinning machine in the year 1738 also boosted the cotton dress manufacturing industry, increasing the use of cotton fabric and crop production worldwide. Later, during the 18th century, the traditional variety Gossypium herbaceum was replaced by new upland variety Gossypium hirsutum that was introduced to Africa by the British, which then spread to India, Pakistan, and China. The entrepreneurs in India developed a liking towards cotton, and thus the first cotton mill, the Bombay Spinning Mill, was established in Bombay, known as Mumbai, in the year 1854. Due to the idle conditions that prevailed in Manchester, England, and the expansion of the Industrial Revolution, it made Manchester the hub of cotton trade and textile industry and was also coined as Cottonopolis. At the same time, Gossypium hirsutum variety, which originated and was domesticated in America, spread to Asian countries through trading. In India, Gossypium hirsutum was called as Cambodian cotton. The section explaining the development of the cotton industry in Manchester and India is presently under construction. It will be open to the public soon. As of now, we will be continuing to the section explaining the distribution of cotton. There are totally 27 wild species of cotton that are present worldwide, which improves the variety of cotton. However, the upland cotton variety, namely Gossypium hirsutum, is one of the leading cotton types to be grown in large scale for the production of fibers around the world. Presently, worldwide production of cotton is estimated to be around 17,700.9 metric tons, with countries such as China, India, Pakistan, USA, and other countries in Europe and Africa contributing to it. In India, cotton is being cultivated in an area of about 121.9 lakh hectares with a total production of around 77.5 metric tons. Major producers of cotton in India are Punjab 3.7 metric tons, Rajasthan 3.26 metric tons, Maharashtra 18.50 metric tons, Tamil Nadu 1.08 metric tons, and Gujarat 25.03 metric tons. Gujarat and Tamil Nadu has a high productivity of 685 kg length per hectare and 702 kg length per hectare. In India, all the four types of cotton varieties, Gossypium hirsutum, Gossypium arboreum, Gossypium barbadens, and Gossypium herbaceum are being cultivated. In the near future, the museum will be displaying the varieties of cotton and hybrids. Now, let us proceed to the parts of the plant, soil, and climatic requirements section. The parts of a cotton plant include leaves, branches, root, flowers, bolls, and seeds. It is an annual shrub that is native to both tropical and subtropical regions, grown in latitudes up to 45 degrees north and 40 degrees south, with maximum concentration of cotton plants occurring between 5 degree and 25 degree north. Cotton requires a moderately cool temperature varying between 20 to 24 degrees Celsius up to squaring stage, that is, the budding stage. A temperature between 24 to 29 degrees Celsius is required during squaring to boll formation stage. The boll busting requires temperatures between 30 to 36 degrees Celsius. When boll opening occurs during cold season, it affects the quality, while temperature lesser than 15 degrees Celsius affects the plant growth. Further, frosty conditions kill the plant, while cloudy conditions lead to drop of squares, young bolls, and flower drops. Irrigation also plays a major role in the growth of the cotton plant. Cotton can grow in all types of soil. However, black soil and medium black soil with a depth of 0.6 meter and a pH of 5.5 to 6.0 is more suitable for the plant growth. Cotton plants can also be grown in alluvial soil, silt loams, or sandy clay soils and other light soils where sufficient irrigation is available. The plant grows well under rain-fed conditions with a maximum rainfall requirement of 900 to 1000 mm. Factors such as waterlogging, acidity, and salinity affect the plant growth. Summary: cotton originated and was domesticated first in Africa. It can be grown in tropical and subtropical regions. All four types of cotton, Gossypium hirsutum, Gossypium arboreum, Gossypium barbadense and Gossypium herbaceum are grown in India.